Hey everyone! If you're a tech lover like me, you've probably been eagerly following the buzz around Google's latest smartphone launch. Today, I'm diving into the all-new Pixel 8a, a device that's not just another entry in the smartphone world, but a true powerhouse of technology. Let's break it down. First off, the heart of the Pixel 8a, the Tensor G3 chipset. This isn't just any chipset. It's designed to make the phone incredibly responsive, handling everything from your daily tasks to more demanding applications without breaking a sweat. And the magic doesn't stop here. Thanks to the Gemini AI integration, this phone is smarter than ever. Whether it's optimizing your photos or managing your schedule, the Gemini AI is like having a personal assistant right inside your pocket. Now, let's talk cameras, because we all love a good photo, don't we? The Pixel 8 steps up the game with a dual camera setup. It features a 64MP primary sensor for capturing stunning details and a 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens that's perfect for those expansive landscape shots. From vibrant sunsets to bustling cityscapes, the Pixel 8a ensures every picture is gallery-worthy. But what truly sets this phone apart is Google's commitment to longevity. Imagine this: your smartphone receiving updates up to 7 years from now. Yes, you heard that right. 7 years of OS updates means your Pixel 8a will stay fresh and functional long into the future, keeping up with the latest features and security standards. Battery life is crucial, right? The Pixel 8a comes equipped with a robust 4492 mAh battery, supporting both 18W fast charging and wireless charging. Whether you're an avid game player, a social media enthusiast, or someone who needs their phone to last through long workdays, the Pixel 8a has got your back. And it doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. With an aluminium frame and rounded edges, it's sleek and stylish. Plus, with an IP67 rating, it's resistant to dust and water, making it as durable as it is beautiful. Available in 4 colors: obsidian, porcelain, bay, and aloe, it's sure to appeal to any style preference. So, whether you're a tech aficionado, a photography enthusiast, or just someone looking for a reliable smartphone that keeps up with the times, the Pixel 8a might just be what you're looking for. It's more than just a phone, it's a long-term investment in cutting-edge technology. That's it for today's deep dive into the Google Pixel 8a. If you're interested in more tech insights and gadget reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.